Come at the party.
Hey, I'm tired. I'm from creating videos. Hey guys, greetings.
Greetings.
Yeah, we have a birthday party today, celebration, and you're all invited.
Yeah.
And if you haven't subscribed, please, you know how we do it. Subscribe.
What's up? Some people say, you know, how you do it? I mean, now she said the same thing. How we do it? That's how we do it, you know. I show football while I'm doing it, you know. Sucks. That is it.
Somebody
Sucks. You got trap themselves here. Right, just over there. The right side. So who's hitting over here? Light fish. French fries. Check.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well. You know the thing of Culinary life in Jamaica. Dream Team, one team, and you know it's the only real team. Blessed love to all. Good morning. You know, once my rise, I will say good morning. You know, if it's not morning where you are, good afternoon. If it's not good afternoon where you are, good evening. And if you don't use the good evening, good night. You know, anywhere you're watching from around the world. You know, thank you so much for watching Culinary Life in Jamaica. For all the new subscribers, we thank you so much and welcome. Remember, over here it's strictly positivity. If you got nothing good to say, please don't say nada. Right? Only positivity over here in the comment section and while you're watching. If you don't like it, don't watch it. You know it goes already. You know, life is not what you think it is, but it is how you live it. So if you live it negative, hey, what kind of life could that be? So we are living here the positivity and living the love, you know, the joy of the almighty creation, you know, love and love alone. So blessed love to all coming from Portland, you know, where the boat land. I drive here, I never take the boat, but you know what the thing go. So good morning. So anyway, you're blessed love, have a lovely day on the road. Make sure you drive safe. If you're watching, watch good, you know, the thing go. Dream Team, one team. So yeah, so we're here this morning. So you know, this morning now, after this morning, it's gonna be coming the evening when I think I'm gonna head back to town to handle some charity work. You know, so too bad, but I'll be back though within a flash. You know, I think I'll be back within a flash. So here we got J Bud, you know, is also, you know, J Bud is a YouTuber as well too. So literally he's having a surprise for his dad today. So hopefully I will check in before I check out. You know, I think you have to give the support same way. Okay, you know, you have to hit the road same way. You know, so blessed morning to all. And as you can see, have you drunk any jelly yet from morning? Where you're watching from? Here I got jelly for you. But they wanna look young still, but never the case. When you come to Jamaica, I got a lot for you. You know, so we give thanks. I will thank you so much for watching Culinary Life in Jamaica. And please, whenever you're watching, remember to put the thumbs up. You know, it haven't cost you anything, just to put the thumbs up. You know, let's smash the like button. You know, and if you haven't subscribed, you know the deal. Go and subscribe. You know, make it work. You know, make YouTube recognize that the good work that we're doing. So we're gonna take you to J Bud. You can see what's going on, right? Camera moving, shaky. Blessed love to all, blessed love. You know the thing, morning routine. You know, it goes in continuous. We know when the river runs dry. We. Well. Sour orange. Not my cup of tea. Anything go. Climb on a damn tree. Climb a gump on the road. Settings and settings and settings. No man gonna dip on tree. So they say no avocado trees, right? Yeah. No avocado, no dip on tree. Nothing at all, not about. It's a winter time. So today we're having the big surprise here. Decoration. This is it.
That is it, man. I know we're out here now, man. Key, no?
Aye.
Out here without fear, I don't know a thing, huh?
But I know who he is.
That is it. Ocean, man, I know. That is it.
One ocean. See it.
Eat some chicken today and some sliced fish.
Aye. Slice and dice the fish. You know the thing. J Bud. Nah, out no bird today. They cooking a big one right here. Nah, out no bird today. So you say today in the kitchen as well too?
No, you know, so there's some recording I'm going to do today.
Okay.
Baker in the kitchen today.
Yeah. J Bud the baker.
That is it.
Trust me, Jamaica and to the world is no faker.
Yeah.
Man, they bake the drops. Bake the gizzard, bake the carrot cake. Trust me.
Yeah.
If you don't see him now, you have to go see him later. J Bud, so today now. Oh, so the avocado here. A J Bud pick them off and have them and hide them. Two of them you say, man, if you say him pick them off and hide them.
Lovely one, Tina.
And I dry one this.
I'm not sure if I dry
And we have 2 cabbage. We have the sugar cane. Hopefully a Jamaica one. You know, we have the fish. We have the baking powder. We have the vegetable. We have the pack of the spoon. We have the slice. Everything there. You have the sliced fish. We have the Irish. We have the onion. We have the pepper. We have the curry. You know the thing. We have the flour. We have the rice. So if you're late, just hurry up and come. Chicken there. Black beans full of proteins. You know the thing though. And we have a cold stove and we have a dog them and check in. You know the ones that sniff around to find if they can find anything that's enticing for them. So you can tell a wiggle. And I hear it tell me, it's a stretch. Wait now, Max. I see my dog down at Trench Town. He ever stretch when them see me, you know.
Eh?
Yes.
Them regular routine. That
Yeah man, check in. Just get there. I'm Max, you know. Say hello, you got Max. Send Max a greeting. In my ear where I go on, man.
That is it.
Check in. Dog gonna appear mackerel will give me. So them see me stretch and you know, mackerel time. So me I want if them dogs smell mackerel for me. And realize that me always give away mackerel to Max. Yeah. So the way we using now fire stick. Stop say wood fire. Them say yo, a woman will say wood fire. So we say yo, no fire stick today. We using the coal. Yeah, thing of coal. All Jamaican way. Right? Everywhere I walk, where I walk. Where I pray. Tell me where I pray and buy it. Mackerel. Alright, watch this. Yes, so the ackee them kind of scale off the tree right now. No breadfruit in there, so I think the place is very quiet. Okay, you know when nobody not there here.
Quiet, man.
Quiet.
Body gone out.
The colours and the team gone on the road. I know I guess today. Demon go she gone on the farm as well to go and pick breadfruit. As I say, you know, say I'm checking out until then. Some of those days I go and check in till I'm ready for chip out. You know, show my face from early before it's too late. You know the thing though. Ah, we have J Bud, the baker. See it there, people, J Bud the baker. If you not check him out yet, but you're waiting on.
Yeah, I'm watching some food in there.
Yes, we have J Bud here, the baker. Mr. Jamaica is no faker. originality, and that is it. So you know the sliced fish, and you know the rest already with the big bird over there. So big bud, it's a big bud. This you know, the ground one, the one not flying, but fly for a seconds, but not for long.
Not for long.
Not for long.
1 month and 6 weeks.
Yeah.
1 month and 6 weeks, 1 month and 2 weeks.
What are them? I want them have 6 weeks, man. 6 weeks and them ready.
That's how much? 1 month and
2 weeks. Yeah. Ready. So J-Bud, talk to them, key your life in Jamaica, let them know, them fans that know you. And
Yeah,
also
man,
them
people,
check out on your content.
Yeah man, J-Bud the baker. The man can check out the channel, you know. Do every little thing for the people, you know.
Yeah.
Talented bad. You can look on here, see look dancing same way. Look baking.
Alright.
Yeah man, so full of style, you know.
At the part that them want to know about.
Who's part?
One what them can see where you bake, so make them know where them are going to expect when them see when the baker roll out. The baking pan, the trays, the flours, the baking powder, what them are going to see.
Really good thing of a bake man, you know, so just check out the channel.
Gizzard.
Toto, cake, anything.
pudding.
Yeah.
Tell you.
Alright.
Yeah, when you just bake normal pudding, I have to mix it up to, you know.
Yeah. So yeah, that's anything you don't want to check out the baker channel, J-Bud, the baker. So you got to see the link in the description.
Yeah.
You know anything about help everybody grow. So you know, say man the road to how much?
20K.
20K. So you know, so you can get him there within a week. A lot of people, you know, you're watching, they can see. So just go and check it out. So you know, they, as I say, I check in before I check out. So I'm the first one to the party.
Yeah.
So when everybody else come, at least me already was here. So I was here before everybody else. So, you know, I'm saying early bird catch the most worm. So my day I catch the most sliced fish I can catch before I leave out.
Yeah.
You know, so if anybody come and get no sliced fish, I go with it. You see me? So them late, alright Jay?
Yeah.
Them late man, them late. So this is it. I'm telling about the black beans, you know, the pure protein, you know. If you don't know. Nah, use that. Alright then, so you know.
Rice ready.
See there, so the black bean is hot. But trust me, black beans, pure protein. Just
Pure squeeze up man.
check the tree and I realize that nothing in the tree. I realize that J-Bud have the last 2 off of the tree, people. You feel like I should take this and run. Because you're not going to need it for the party, you know the thing. Though. So what are the settings we have to the J-Bud?
Like cook food man, my father heard strong, like cook food, eh?
Oh, your daddy heard strong. See there, so daddy we met the boss. Oh. So you know what I go on? Oh, so I come for a surprise. Jeez. Daddy still I get surprised. I give him a heart attack still, you know. No, I give him a heart attack, he come and say, surprise! You see the man I forgot to draw for all them last man wonder what so much people are frightened even for. Hey, don't mind, you know. Yeah, so when you see him just run. When you see the man draw for him last, because the man don't want a heart attack, you know, and J-Bud say, surprise! You know the thing, you know. So this is it. J-Bud the baker in the kitchen, cooking chicken, making it work. You know the thing, go dream team, one team. So you know the Portland vibe, so you know what they are. So there, you know the thing go. Them say anyway this stone fling and this so it. Alright, that is it. So remember now if you're watching and you haven't put the thumbs up yet, we waiting at. Oh, it takes so long to put the thumbs up. Remember go and check the link in the description for J-Bud the baker. You know you see all the drops, them coconut drops, gizzard, toto, pudding, you name it. Anything I wanted I can send a request and then bake it for you. And it's no joke, cause the gizzard when I get it magnificent. And I can't believe the man have no more. That's how them sell hotter than hot bread.
Hot bread.
Alright.
Some of them eat some small. The boy say fish right there and some big chunk one. They call them pizza.
Oh, the chicken this. Roll curry and berry down. Marinating time. See the curry down. So you say you're gonna do the chicken now? You're gonna do the chicken?
Curry french fry.
Curry french fry. While the curry or french fry. Shut them. Yeah, people, while the curry is still like a french fries. See you here. Whenever you have a slice of fish, marinate. Alright, so you know, so everything I wrap from plastic up. Plastic and plastic up. Wow, marinate. See you man. So all the chicken lovers, curry French fry for one of the chicken lovers. Fire and start ketchup. Come tell me now why you make the rest of the guests them come ketchup, you know.
Right,
When them come, everything get left. Don't want to wait too long. So what's next now? Fire?
Fire, I get up right away.
Right away. So the video man I go and relax. I mean, no I take my way pan for fire to go and catch up and then you
Right away.
When you hear that, you know the thing go. That is what we're waiting on. The people, you know, say. Yeah man, so you know, say meat done season up, so you know what time it is. Fire or ketchup next. Fire or ketchup next. 2 cold stoves, so you know, say pot or kicking. See and way. So I make the meat go and marinate a little bit. See and way. Fish go and simmer. Chicken go and simmer. And we go and sit and watch what I go on. That is it.
Oh dear, don't fear, no.
No fear them, say no fear nobody but the Almighty himself. Isn't it? Nobody but the Almighty. No fear. The people just go and check in and watch what I go on, you know anything go. Remember if you're watching and you haven't put the thumbs up, what you waiting on? Don't wait. You know? Don't wait, we're not gonna waiting. I don't funeral thing. Let's do it. No. Check in. Check. Like rain I go fall so. Cloud a forwarding. Nah far. Okay, Portland where they can't predict it, you know. The sun is shining, you know, rain a fall. See you way. Yeah. Rain a fall. See you way. What do you see it? I wonder, oh I go on to Portland. You know, the sun hot. Then you see the rain forward from that side. They can't get the rain from that side, though.
Yeah,
that side.
Sometimes come on, I see it.
Okay. Nice, so you can see the sea over there. So. Waiting to exhale. Baker, you have nothing in there for munch, no gizzard, no carrot cake. Nothing at all. Oh, Baker, no for run out of nothing, you know, style. Got them 2 gizzard out of me at all. No, you come like me have nightmares, see me and can't get no more. Yes, sir. Can't just taste up the bud so I'm gonna get no more. Sure. Right now I'm driving, I'm supposed to have all 2 of them go and munch while I'm driving. I have none of that if you're driving too. People, can you believe that? Jay would be make the gizzard of them wicked, you know. And you might get 2 of them. I know I can't get no more. Imagine watching TV, I go and munch 2 of them gizzard right now. Sure. Check. Prepare the fire. Cool garlic. How much you sell a bag of coal on your for?
Depends on like all this and the coal and all then give for all $1,000. Right now good.
Oh, it's cheap, don't you?
No, this not good, that's why they
Oh,
give
not
for
good.
that.
2,000 off your bag of
2,000 off your bag of coal, man.
3 grand.
So more expensive, don't you, man?
Yeah, man.
You get one for 15 bills, 14
Have
bills.
you kunjata boy high and coal?
Yeah.
They want the expensive.
So that iron coal with the bun last longer?
Yeah, tough, man. They're pro-enter.
When you're wet,
Look good.
light it and wet it.
See,
Blaze like a wood fire.
And they're pro-enter, look good. The man could sit there like all chocolate.
Okay. I can see why it's so cheap at Kingston. Because you know, yeah, we know.
Some light stick.
Yeah, the man like all chocolate. Fence steak and then they go full piece of sitting there.
As
Where you from?
Eh?
Where you from? From
Kingston.
Oh.
Yeah. Because true, you know, so they might use any type of stick unless I make coal, you know. Any type of tree. Any tree with them say I could have hacky or guinea, anything with them look like they can burn.
I see him thing.
Aki bun
Man do,
cold
like
here.
this.
You know,
Yeah.
man, breadfruit, man. Breadfruit.
Where did you like that? Yeah.
Man, them Kingston, man, use anything to make coal. Once it name stick.
It's like first place, I go see a button and plastic, you know.
Yeah, man, good.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Yeah,
Still, things are different when it come on to certain things. Unusual. So goat I eat plastic. A dog I eat avocado. And them thing there. Yeah, man. If a dog named Cashew, man, I eat anything I give, man. I will not cook it. If I cut up vegetable, I give them yam that. Lick it to it. Yes, I. Anything I give them, man, they mash up, man. Yeah, man, that's survival, man.
Get the fire up and run, get that lay, man.
You see that cold, that's stubborn.
Time for lay, man. Time for fire blaze.
Right away. I wonder if the fish fire this first. I wonder if the fish fire this alight first.
Can't tap him.
I wonder I wish fire stick them use make that cold. Yeah.
Boy, light, bad man. It's come like a fence here.
It's look like it now. Down when I eat that, yeah. Straight blazing.
Get that blaze now.
So one fire first, one fire next. That is it. That is it. All the dog them a circle the ends. Two in a line. Alright then. So the party start. Once it's the fire light, party start. So if you're not there, hey, party start now, you know. Find the fire light in our party time, you know. So you know the thing go.
Yeah, don't forget to do your without that. How you doing?
I'll in a pot.
Do you have the cigarette?
Two of them flat.
Another way, do the way.
Fuck no, man.
Try one light tonight and you like
Let me
a
see.
bottle.
So you use the yellow part too?
Yellow part, can I use it? Bottle.
I don't see white part.
Yes. So you know the oil hot. You know, once the oil hot, you drop in that. You fry like chicken bar. You have to stay away.
It's too bad.
Yeah, man, for a day I be a rhyme, you hear me a rhyme, though. Yeah, man, I have to see you, man. Never be a tomatoes.
TikTok, you see it, man. I will continue to learn from TikTok.
Yeah, man, TikTok, bad man.
Right now you learn so much from social media. YouTube right now you learn everything. You type in anything. Yeah. You type anything from YouTube.
Sizzler me say Sizzler say we have them sitting and we are going to eat that.
Use
So
them.
many things upon the field learn.
Anything you want to learn to do, man, you just ask YouTube, it tell you. Or Google.
Anything you know for fix, if you know if you unlock something on YouTube right through. On YouTube.
Right now AI are the next thing I come run the place right now. You ask AI.
Afraid of AI,
So intelligent,
yeah,
brother.
too intelligent.
Anything you ask it know it already.
Let me tell you something. You see them movie I want to see I go on. I believe say something near so do and I answer them I say like if it not go so, it near so, like if the computer can think by itself, what cause it for not act on its own? You answer them?
That's why them say be careful because you know say this thing can take over just like iRobot. You watch you moving them iRobot.
I talk about brother iRobot.
Think I'm serious, man, me I tell you.
How is moving them iRobot? You want to
Will Smith.
Will Smith,
man.
You see one you done girl night, but
we have only for robot
one of them cloud
movie,
when they have two Will Smith in it.
No,
No,
not that
man,
one.
iRobot, all movie, man.
Yeah,
all
good one now.
movie.
But the movie the way you make from then is always for the future, you know. Everything where you see them make.
All
You know.
long Terminator, man.
Terminator. What they call the next one?
You call that movie then?
Star Trek.
And Star Trek.
Yeah.
Everything where you see make then, man, are for the future, trust me.
Car fly in the sky.
But you know what's scary though? Them say AI can impersonate like you yourself.
Yeah.
Like say you're a YouTuber, right? So your voice they all over YouTube. You say a whole heap of words. So AI can take each word.
Of course. Of
Make it
course.
look like you talk. Like,
Of
it's
course.
scary, brother.
Listen, that's why them you ever wear name again, better man than name again, Ian Musk.
Ian Musk.
Them want them and say be careful, you know, because AI can take over and control the
You see
system.
a billionaire
you know?
genius like that, I want.
I want you. Of course, the thing can control right now, I'll tell you. I want to show them eagle eye. If you watch a show there with the camera there and everything where a computer itself take it over. You see me?
That exists already.
Yeah, where it can make, say if I watch you, all the train it makes stop, it make the bus stop, it cause all different type of things to happen. Yeah man, that can go on later on in the future, so be careful.
Go on already. Remember everything connected to the internet. You know,
Just
traffic light.
everything right now.
Oh, you know, please. You gotta check in some, get in some garlic.
Yeah, but the baker, Jamaica I'm real is no faker.
Yeah.
Remember that baker, hey.
That's oil still. You ready for it?
Hot ash.
Well, I get what them talking about.
The famous part of
Yeah.
love
I get what them out of.
love throw seasoning in a pot and go.
Burn out in the oil.
You see the paper? French fry, curry chicken.
What? Some say fire no mad. Fire out with one half the whole of
French fry, curry chicken. Chicken from this.
When they eat, hold him.
Tell her.
Skip to Malu fast.
Here in Portland,
Dancer.
no when a boat you land, nah go normal.
When people start getting with chicken in a pot, you know.
Yep.
That go on.
Curry French fry. People watching, you ever do this yet? I know anybody do curry French fry, because I don't know the one way style now. So comment and let me know if you know anybody will do it. The first I see that one. History. You know my French fry, curry French fry fish.
Yeah man, I do that man.
Oh,
On the channel too man.
curry French fry fish. So I know you curry French fry the chicken, so I know you must do the fish the same way.
I put leg. Leg one? Yeah. I put that the fire I get too mad you know. That's the high fish. I get too mad?
I wonder what this blaze out too.
Yeah, man, we'll get on the other pot.
Chicken pretty.
Pretty in a pot, you know?
Chicken
You know one eye, so I'm sure I want. Fire red.
pretty. Height it up. Chicken pretty.
The fry and the high fire. Yeah.
People, now because you hear me talk about the chicken, I don't cry any. I just talk about it and always talk about the meat. You know I eat meat, so I don't want to say me I eat meat behind camera. No, them as my witness. I don't eat no meat. The cimarron is there. It's very tempting, but you have to be loyal. You know, me I hold it out for a very long time. I'm still go and hold it out. I'm not stop hold it out. So stay there holding it. Fight the fight.
You don't go for years that man.
No,
I don't ever try it no still.
yeah, there, you see. Yesterday, a man said, Kine can try a piece of the beef off of the camera, you know. Yeah. Like, no, man, I go and hold it.
Just assess you. What's going on with it?
I go and hold it, man.
Really,
Don't be bad influence.
Yeah, I have to go and hold it.
Somebody has to do it.
Yeah, so when you go and...
Somebody has to do it.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'm not like you can hold a piece of leg down and wash it up. Some people say, Kino, how you do it? I mean, now she said the same thing. How I do it? Better that way, you know? I throw football while I'm do it, you know?
And you know, you must feel that in the idea.
You can put children in there if you want now.
Never do. Yeah. What I know, really flying for. Like that.
Hey.
Right? That's a go on.
Just a go on for what I go on. When the boat you land in Portland. Yes, right. Boat you when I talk about a land for no water. Right, just on the fire this land. People, you know, my opinion when it come on to slice this thing and you spend 1 hour after alone, you know. And the beans with the rest over there, so, you know. Right, so, you know, fish versus chicken. Fish versus chicken. Chicken versus fish. So, food up on the left hand, you know, up on the right side now. So, you know which side you up on, you know, viewers. So, right now, whoever on the left hand side, you can join me over yourself if you want on the right hand side. Isn't it? What is it? See, that one, the lock. This not lock.
That's what I'm going with. Butter is not really a French butter.
Yeah. People might have to check out JAMAICA on YouTube because, you know, so you got to see a lot of these stuff. You got to also say baking if you like baking. If you want to know for bake as well, you have to go subscribe to JAMAICA. You understand? The baker. So you can get fish fried, chicken steam, everything but the baking, trust me. Whole heap of baking you got to see where I go on. So you see right now what this I go on and that I go on. It's like fish ready. So we're here in Portland. The wonderful view of Portland. Just imagine this. Surrounded by the nature, mother nature. And we're there fish fry. Mouth water running. Mouth water running. French fried chicken.
Coal get hot, people coal getting mad.
Blazing. Blazing. And people say, you know the mouth I run water right now, you know, but you have to go and check it out. There's any number all of them cooking that go on the channel as well too. You know, panel a big avocado tree here. Can you believe this? Not even one avocado there on it. Not even one avocado. No vex. So definitely come back in the summer. You can get some avocado. Big avocado tree. When I get one, when I get no avocado at all. So yeah, JAMAICA have the last 2. So they will work it. So no aki today. Swim around. You see, I look on all the dog there, wait for him turn. You didn't know say dog know for time part. Dog knows the food are frying, no him nah move to that. But watch when food start eating, you see who get busy. Just watch and see who ever get busy. They know when time the food I cook it's too hot. Hot. Portland. So today we're not buying no riverside cooking, we're there on the land side cooking. You understand? Today we're not at the riverside cooking, we're on the land side. So you know the land side with the potage light. Check. Occupancy, you know the thing there. We're now walking the land. Okay, I know I love going on a country tour. Bushes, nature for sure. You know, nature for sure. Like them a dig one hole or so for one pit. You know the thing go. Well, who know what kind of tree this? A cocoa tree, right? Cocoa. You know me a town man, you know. Baby breadfruit, so we don't see no big breadfruit on this. We don't see no roasting one. Them one is small. You know, very small. We have a lime tree. Yeah, there's a lemonade now for go on, man. Lemonade I for go on. Sugar there. It's a lime here. J-Bud. It's a lime here, you know. There's a lemonade. Quenching thirst. So people say we don't have to have lemonade, man. But yeah, so man. Yeah. And you can't tell me say I don't know a lime tree. So we have to put lemonade with the ginger. Call it ginger head. Right, Kunte? This liquor at kitchen. Kunte teach you that one day, no? Lemonade. See, more lime. More lime. Come, pick lime with my paper. Pick lime with me. But yeah, the lime in the way in. Can't go too far in because of pure juke. Pure juke by Maca. Maca is a soldier, you know. Oh, so some lime I need here, so I don't have to go too far. Right now the time warm as well too. But the thing Portland is cool as Mandeville. But it's not cool as Mandeville. So I have 5 lime. You know, once you get the sugar, you have the ginger. Grate a little ginger. Call it a ginger head. You know, Kunte teach you that one here. See a big lime here. That is it. You don't have to buy no juice in a bottle. Artificial. So you just make your lemonade. If you have honey, it's even better. Just imagine you make your lemonade with little honey and ginger. So natural. So natural. Good lime. Pure lime. Pure lime. So see there? So we have some lime here. Ready for take on the lemonade. Check. So ready to take on the lemonade. See? Lime. Ready for take on the lemonade. Ready. Ready. So you know the thing go.
Yeah, man, there. What's your name? Put it in there. Brother. Put it up in there. Oh, yeah, we talking napkin in there.
So colorful. Sucks. That is it. Aye.
Somebody put it on a zero of bread.
See that? Is that chop them set for you?
I don't realize it take a bit. I tell her. Throw some water upon the socks, man.
Well, sack them set a chop for you, boy.
Throw water upon it. I had the soft already.
You want them set a chop for sacks. And so see the pot cover there. See the pot cover there.
Man, Oscar.
Socks was
The one that gone viral.
They gone viral.
Walking brown now, the skin soft, you know.
You know when that man go in the kitchen and try to fold something and the pot cover got hot. And then pay grandmother here to her mother here and say, yo, I will drop the pot cover. It's too hot. Before more guests coming up, J-Bud. And the guests them arrive, you know, J-Bud. I hope a chicken alone them eat. D.
I'm so tired.
Oh my days. Come at the party.
Hey, I'm tired. I'm from creating videos. Hey guys, greetings.
Greetings.
Yeah, we have a birthday party today, celebration, and you're all invited.
Yeah.
And if you haven't subscribed, please, you know how we do it. Subscribe.
Can see the country life. Have you all the hills them tired? Tired.
I could get thick, but it's the opposite.
No, but it help. It can help still. It help your legs them get thick. So it will definitely help. Trust me. So the more you climb the hills, get them thick. You know?
Let me go shower, guys. Too sweaty. I'll see you later.
All right then.
Yeah, I'm a phone. I remember you have a roast breadfruit here.
What? Leave roast breadfruit. Leave it right here.
Roast and fry.
Roast and fry. Roast. Right now.
Have your phone here. I'm going to shower. So sweaty.
Roast and fry. Where's the dear roast breadfruit?
Yeah.
What?
Just leave it here. We'll come to it.
Yeah man, cut up that right now.
Let me go fresh enough.
Come in a movie before?
Oh, she's a movie star herself, man.
No, but like she come in a professional movie like.
No, not yet.
Look familiar.
Not yet.
It's like one of them in a Wakanda or something.
Oh, like Wakanda.
Yeah, she look familiar.
Oh, I don't see. It's a shame. Check in.
Yeah, man, outside, man. Just a come off a Rasta black roast to breadfruit and something.
Yeah.
Rasta black. Trouble.
The Rasta black.
Man, 1 kilo, man, we out there.
See them man, so they are. Man, up on the resort.
That is
Back here on the resort, Villa Star.
You know? Yeah, man. Subscribe to Kina channel. Don't know.
See it there. So we have more guests now. I'm telling you, J about a long time. You should have started the bar road when them come, everything done, you know.
Yeah. I want you to put on my chicken.
Yeah. J about yes, sir. I wait for people far from the fly.
I want you to put on my chicken. Some ear styles down there, then hear them down there.
J about just hurry up and fry the fish.
And them are carrying them kids.
Yeah. Yo, I don't mind saying about from them eat fish all as well. Them can forward for the chicken only.
Where the chop up your brown too? Yeah, we got chop up your brown too. What another one?
J about the guests them forward in thick and fast, you know. So you know when I keep an eye over here for people because you know them saying 100 people that come. 100. A party is an early party, very early. So you think you come at a party when the night falls. Hey, if you fall short. A party is a daylight party. So if you're not there now, and talk about you come later. So who is it me? Are you on the left? Are you on the right? Are you on the right? Are you on the left? Come on. Are you on the right? Are you on the left? Are you on the left? Are you on the right? So me not up on the left. Me up on the right. Left or the wrong way. Right or the right way. So over here, so over there. Not to the right, just over there. The right side. So who's with me over here? Sliced fish, French fry, curry chicken, French fry. Trust me, guess they are just alright. Hey, we are going to party all night. So we got for myself, blessed. Thank you so much for watching Culinary in Jamaica. As I say, I really appreciate. Remember, bless up on every time, all the viewers, them, everyone that put the thumbs up, you know, we give thanks, we appreciate you. While you're watching the video and you like the video, it's a plus, because when you like the video and put the thumbs up, YouTube realize and recognize that wait, there's something good going on, so them always put the thumbs up. So when YouTube recognize that the thumbs is up, them say okay, YouTube help to promote the video, get it to more audience, you know. So the thumbs up is always worth more than anything else. So, you know, when you're watching, just remember to put the thumbs up, you know, help the program grow. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, remember, just subscribe. It not cost you nothing. It not cost your life if you press the button just like so. You not lose nothing at all, no pride, nothing. So put the thumbs up. You know, put the thumbs up. Dream team, one team, Culinary in Jamaica. Right now I'm in Portland. Can't wait for that boat here for land. Ain't no. Yes, blessed love. Yeah, me the make a walk. So I'm so going back to where the pot's cooking. You know the thing like choo 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 choo. So I just went to get something. I went to the shop to get something to the shop, so I'm gonna head back to where the cooking is going on. You know, so look, the mango washing again. Always washing. The mango is washing again. She a wash all this.
My clothes.
Okay. Washing again. I'm gonna say no Rasta man clothes tonight I wash. So that means I should not find a Rasta man yet. There's no Rasta in Portland.
I'm not looking for a Rasta man, come on.
So she want a Rasta.
I just love Rasta.
Love Rasta. So a Rasta will manifest for you.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Alright. No problem.
Washing again once more, D?
Yeah, I wash after every 2 days.
Wow.
Rasta by heart, by nature.
Representing JA over there. That's good still. Every 2 days you wash, that is nice. No washing machine, just our hands.
Jamaica represented.
See the JA. Representing.
Yes, yes.
Why any husband get you man in clothes wash every 2 days, right?
Of course. Why not? If I'm washing mine after every 2 days, his also after every 2 days must be washed. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
So every 2 days you might get him clothes wash,
Definitely.
him fingernail cut, foot bottom scrub.
Everything that he needs.
Everything
Everything he wants.
Desire. It's true. All the even that brown mosquito. Are you like that?
Oh, burning mosquito? Like that?
I think the grass, them like the grass.
Oh, nice.
Run mosquito. The smoke. Yeah, mosquito don't really like smoke.
Okay. I
So-
can light even now?
If you want. But no mosquito now bite you, no
They're
mosquito bite you,
biting
no.
me, yeah.
Aloe vera. Can you get the aloe vera yet? I don't see no aloe vera in the
I
yard.
haven't seen it yet.
I don't see no aloe vera. So if aloe vera in here. Let me look around and see if I see the aloe vera. Because you can rub it on your skin. So I still go circle the man them want cook too. So let me see if I see any aloe vera in the yard. Aloe vera in here. Let me see the aloe vera in here. Because I really never see the tree. Because normally me say man my eye good for it. None right there. I see no. That's weird. Because normally in that country you look at the aloe vera tree. No, normally in that country as a queen to see aloe vera. And to be honest, I'm not sitting down for you, you know. Check up by the spot. No, said no aloe, no, a pine that. It's a pine tree there. The pine tree almost tricked me. I don't see no aloe vera. More pine. More pine tree. You see no aloe vera. I see that mosquito. Cause normally in a country, you just walk, you find a aloe vera tree. And you come in and see a pure mosquito, you know, so. You have to go back over where them cooking and find out if them have none over there. Cause the mosquito them bossy down here, so. Fever grass. So this is fever grass we use on boiled tea. Remember that smell, yeah? It's the way he's boiled tea. Fever grass. Lovely tea. So that's a fever grass where he's boiled tea. You have to ask Kunte. No, I'm ask Jay about if they have any aloe vera, because I don't see none in the yard. Check and go on. Check. So right now I'm going to serve with the pot and serve the aloe vera too. Well. Jay bud. You have the aloe vera in the yard, yeah?
No, sir. Not different Wi-Fi that one now.
No aloe vera?
Aloe vera?
Yeah. Think a Bible.
No man, you sit up there. No problem, slip to man.
I don't see none.
Yeah man, you're right side floor. Right side, you went in through. Right side floor is right. Right
there, so?
No man, I don't black them pop. Right where the floor, you look around floors there right before you
yeah.
Right there, so? Right there, so. Shoot up there.
Alright,
yeah, where you black them pop stick when you have to move in the yard.
Alright, me some doubles. What you say? Coconut boiling? I'm not good at timing potting. I'm gonna try to time the pot, but it don't work. It don't work. Yeah. Time I fly. So come at me, I have to go lift the pot. Right, me have to go leave the boat. Boat here have to go lift me.
Is that what time stick up? What?
10 past 4 now. I'm gonna go check and see. We say the right to spot the tree them there.
Right, yeah. You can't check the right black and you don't want to
Look on that side, that's all. You want to tell me, say, blind me, blind. Me no know. Aloe vera. But them say aloe vera they're over here, so. Them say must look right down here, so.
Hey, my shorts have stains. Oh my gosh, you don't know the banana stains?
The shirts have stains?
Right.
Oh, Sita. Oh, Sita is an area, so. It's one of the eye. The mango. You'll find aloe vera for you.
Found it? That's not enough.
What do you mean? You can slice it down the middle.
Bring the knife.
See last year.
Then, look at the stains.
How can I stay in there?
I think from the banana.
Oh.
So this one is not going to come out.
Yeah, with them ants, you say your ant can't take it out.
Not coming out. I'm trying to scrub it, but it's too tough.
Yeah, because banana stay in the know.
Yeah. Because yesterday I was getting the bananas with this. Woo, and it's too much. Look.
Yeah. But you're pretty.
Yeah, I'm getting some coconut.
Banana.
Yeah man, take in people. We have heard now and get coconut milk. Go on. Right up, I'm right, you know? That bun my nose. Still there,
Still there. One time I run out of here. So that's not why the gravy?
Yeah, no, I'm happy to fish in there.
Oh yeah, what? So I'm for leave this. Run late there. I forgot run late. And the fish could have tricked me. The fish dropping at that and well simmer down.
Spice up one thing.
Smell the pepper for chew now, Jay bud.
The man pepper hot in the man, you smell it.
Smell the pepper for chew.
Go on, boil up and
learn the whole of this thing, and so I'm gonna think so. I'm a big chef. Big chef. You can't talk to me when I reach down there, so. Pure menu, I come learn for cook. Hey. Big chef. Yeah, man, people, I'm gonna say the link will be in the description for J. Bud the Baker. From here, me I tell you, so you can't miss nothing when the man here upload any video. Just check in, man. Check in. Check in. You learn new way of cooking, creative cooking. Well creative. Smelling good. So the vegetable rice, I put coconut milk in it too. No okra. Coconut milk. New way of cooking when I go back to Kingston. New way of cooking in my house, you know. Hey, never got hire me for come cook food, you know. Better believe it. Cooking turn up. People my like before watching. Hyena himself. Before them they enjoy them coconut trash. Before they go and enjoy for them meal. Coconut trash. Before well I put some good rice with the coconut. Everything all natural. Natural. Rice, butter steaming. Fish gravy or one boil with the fish trap in night. Well coconut down. All them are going to eat food trash. Dog over there so I go and secure. Fish there so I go and watch what I go on. Yes, then they are going to look out, I go and what I vibe see them way. So you know the thing though. Hyena, might get burned. Hyena. Yeah, hyena.
so hyena.
See you have the hyena look. Hard cover stock.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey. Bubbly. 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 Check in on D now. Cause D wash fast, you know. Lie. D mango. D, you finish wash already? Wow. Quick and fast. The mango. Hanging them. The high man. Hanging out the famous.
Hanging my bikinis.
The famous bikinis. Representing for JAMAICA. Welcome to JAMAICA. Almost there, D.
The stains.
Not coming out.
No. They refused. Big stains.
Banana stain are bad. That's bad. You wipe your hand in your clothes. That's what happened.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's fingers mark. You don't see. Oh, that's what you did. Just wipe your hand in your clothes, D.
I did this.
Yes, that's what you did. So you learn. Good day, your clothes them look clean pan line though a day. Of course. Original Kenyan. Clothes look clean pan. Remember, you know, all of these subscribers, if you want to get your clothes washed.
Except this one again, I did the same thing.
This.
You see the
stain from that as well. So viewers, if you're a D subscriber and you want to get your clothes washed, you can just let her know, you know, free of charge. She won't charge you, you know, she won't charge you. Once you can tell her the last 3 videos that you watch, how it start, how it end, and in the middle. Right, D? And me say you can't go wrong. D says she's a wife material. Not no clothes material. She's not any clothes material, she's a wife material. Ready? Okay, ready? Ready, me ready now, like ready, you know. Come on. D make me move. Ready. 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 Yeah, man. Things supposed to ready, you know. Ready. See the fire, no plastic. Coconut down up wire.
One.
Ready. Thing ready now.
Rice ready, man. Long time, man.
Long time.
Rice a kick like a storm.
Hey. Storm down here, son.
Yeah, man.
But the guests them so reach, so I want to leave before they reach. You know, ready?
You ready, man?
Ready.
Ready, you know, because we have make keen sample food today, you know, guys. I don't know. I'm there from before the pot go up on the fire, you know.
Yeah.
I'm there.
When the pot come off.
Come off, so just stay tuned, you know, guys, and watch
Yeah. Watch what I go on.
This what I go on?
See there?
Rice come off like fire, you know, guys. You don't know.
You don't want to get them to come, but
Yeah. You want to make sure so shoot it out before them come.
yeah, you want to be a
you know
little plate.
Yeah.
So you're not
Now I take one, so I'm not going to take 2.
Yeah.
Because Jay would have some fans that come in right now. There's a bus load me here.
Yeah.
So before the bus reach, and that have to go on. Yes, that have to go on, people. So you check in, so you watch it from the start as well too. And you watch it to when time the pot come off. So the boat reach right now at Portland. So you know,
Duck up, you know.
it duck up. It duck, man. It duck.
Duck, you know.
People are come off right now. The people them want to come off for the rice grain them. Them not the passenger right now. The rice grain them want to come right off. Right off. So that one you have to get catch.
Right.
Nah, drop. Right, that's all.
So what's the rap going on? For French fry, you know, guys. So what I want, long time them there we.
Skin up plate. No mistake. No chicken over there. You ain't chicken up par still. You ain't chicken up par. You ain't chicken up par. You got my chicken friend them. Yo, chicken brother. That's how the chicken man them. She ain't chicken. Chicken friends them.
Chicken at Jamaica second national dish.
Are you supposed to be the number? I thought the first right now.
No, one thing is sure we get at Jamaica.
First, man.
Chicken can't run out.
Tell her.
Check.
This is going people from water going, huh?
Check. Daddy just check in. Surprise! Me go open and catch a heart attack and I tell him tell me know why you draw for the last. You know? Yeah man, so daddy just check in and everything go. Daddy, see it there, happy birthday daddy. Yeah, I was 16 today. 16.
Oh.
1-6.
Oh, that's so good.
Still going strong. See you here, grandpa. See you here. See that jacket there now. Never unfitting it. Fit. It's 2 and up on the same height. You know J-Boy in the tile on him? And in not all line the same height. Don't you?
No, that's
Happy restaurant, man.
Yeah,
Happy restaurant, papi. That is it. Yeah, man. So, I put some happy birthday. Right, we saying D?
Happy birthday to you.
Hey. D. See, they will check in and we there at the party. So, the late guests them. Sorry for going here. Tell them already. Early bird catch a mouse, worm. That is it.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.